the main component that makes us different to a lot of other hypnosis training organisations and academies is we train you practically. So we come to you. We come to 5 different states around Australia to train you in person. So we will teach you a skill, demonstrate that skill so that you can see how it's done, and then you will partner up with other students and you will start to practice that skill yourself. So we are really about you guys getting the confidence in these 5 days to be able to do all of these things that we're teaching you.
The other thing we like to do is group hypnosis. So every morning when you arrive on those courses, we'll be conducting a group hypnosis session for everybody. So it's a good chance for you to think about some of the things you may need to work on, to change in yourself, and work through those issues over the course of the 5 days as well.
They're real clinical sessions that we take you through. It's like you're getting your own free therapy coming to these courses. So not only are you getting to learn this incredible skill set, but you're getting to change the things you want to change about yourself at the same time. We have seen some phenomenal results out the other side of that. We've got students coming in who are dealing with some very heavy issues, and sometimes they're not in a very good place in life. They can come to us and we can start to help them through some of those issues. And they've done their 5 days of practical training. They're feeling released. They're feeling a lot calmer. They're feeling a lot more confident in the things that they want to do in life.
It's a great chance for you to be able to come, learn, but also grow yourself as a therapist, and to be able to practice amongst people that have exactly the same intention as yourselves, to be able to go out and help as many other people as you can. We look forward to meeting every single one of you that wants to jump on board Australian Academy of Hypnosis.